Yes, that's correct. Today we're going to be discussing Solana. So let's waste no more time and get right in today's topic. Looking across the board though, if we're looking at the last 24 hours, starting to see a little bit of a cool off happen, but overall guys, the market is still up quite a bit, and I'm extremely bullish on the markets now because we are above $22,000 Bitcoin. So now let's look at Solana. What's happening with the price of Solana, and where is the price going in the immediate short term? Are we finally about to see Solana break out in the next few days, or are we going to trade a little bit more on the sideways and then have a breakout? That's what we're going to discuss in today's topic. If you like that, do not forget to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button, and sit back and relax and enjoy the show. Looking at the price of Solana right now, currently trading at $25.22. It is up 1% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, down about 0.1% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Forget about that, but we're looking at the market cap. Market cap is almost approaching that $10 billion mark. Very, very exciting. And, Solana has held that top 11 spot very, very strongly. So that is definitely something nice to take away from this. And the 24-hour trading volume is almost approaching $2 billion mark. Before we jump into the charts, guys, always like giving you guys a better perspective as to what has been happening with the price of Sol over the past few days. In the last 30 days, it's up 113%. Very, very nice gains being made within the price of Solana. But now if we're looking at the charts, guys, as always, just a quick disclaimer though, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. If we're looking at the price of Solana, Solana has, been holding around this $25 mark over the past few days. We are consolidating right now, but as I say that, we're seeing a massive level of resistance come around this range, especially at that $25.60 mark. This is a massive level of resistance that's playing out for the price of Solana. And if we break out of here, guys, then I am expecting massive fireworks to start, and we could see the price of Solana go back into the blue zone, which is the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. Last time we were there was May 11th. So once again, we are seeing Solana be kind of have a rejection around this level of resistance, which was to be expected, as I've said in my previous video. But if we're looking at the chart zoomed in on the hourly time frame, you guys can see Solana has been holding really, really well right now. And now you may have some trolls coming in here now and say, oh my god, Solana is not mooning. Are you serious? Like, you guys gotta just not take these guys seriously, because you know what? Let's look at it. If you picked up some Solana at $8, which was just on December 29th, you're up almost 200%. Almost 200%. And Solana hasn't even had a cool off. A lot of cryptocurrencies right now are having a cool off, a little bit of a retracement, because, they've been continuously rising with the overall market momentum. But Solana specifically has not have a cool off, in terms of like 20%, 15%. We're still holding very, very strong around these levels. And I've shared this with you guys before, but if this is your first time coming onto my channel, look at that pattern that's forming. Look, you can't make this up. Consolidation, breakout, and where are we finding ourselves again? Consolidation, breakout, consolidation. And once we break out of here, guys, this level is a massive deciding factor. If we break out of here, we will see the prices of Solana back to where they were prior to the FTX collapse, and that was around that $39 mark. And once you break out of there, guys, then, basically the road is open for the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And if I still bring out the measuring tool for you guys and we measure it from the current price level to the 78.6, that's still 143% move towards the upside. I'm eyeing Solana very, very closely on a daily basis, and I am dollar cost averaging into Solana, because I believe, guys, Solana is going to be one of the top performers this coming bull cycle. I think this project is going to be one of the projects that is going to pull a QNT type of move. If you guys don't know what QNT did, you guys are free to go look at QNT charts. It was one of the projects that did see quite a bit of a retracement in the bear market, but really started to move back up very, very quickly, even in the bear market. And I believe Solana is going to be very, very close to that, and I'm going to be accumulating some Solana around these prices regardless. It has pumped up about 200%. I still believe that Solana is cheap in my personal opinion, considering the overall growth Solana has seen within its ecosystem and how it's, hand in hand with Ethereum. And again, Ethereum's been in the market for such a long time, and this is the closest, this or Cardano, closest Ethereum killers that we can ever get to and that we have ever seen come in. Devs, the amount of developers that are coming into Solana is insane. But as I say that, let's shift our focus on Bitcoin. Why? Bitcoin is the king of the markets. Looking at the price of BTC saw the price go all the way up to $23,400 level. Last time the price of BTC was back on August of last year. So we are seeing BTC breakout. And why was I saying this level of resistance is so important at that $22,000 mark? Because that was one of the deciding factors. But now we have to clear this $25,000 mark. If we clear this, guys, then let the fireworks really begin. Then I would basically be very confident that till the summer we could see the price of BTC even hit $35,000 mark, and then maybe have a little bit of a retracement. Things are looking very, very strong. Obviously, there was a lot of uncertainty last year. We saw a lot of negative things happen within the markets. SBF, FTX collapse, Terra Luna collapse. So a lot of these negative things that can affect the markets, but we were in a bear market. And this is going to happen every single bear market. And, things happen, projects leave. And but as I say that, projects that are continuing to develop in the bear market and that are continuing to innovate is the biggest plus point there ever could be. And now if we're looking at the bigger picture of Solana, guys, I wanted to share this with you guys real quick. If we kind of zoom in and look at the bigger picture, Solana still looks like it has been nowhere to be seen over the past few months. Obviously if we zoom into the charts and look at the last 1 month, 1.5 month, where we are seeing gains being made, but we can barely see that if we're looking at the bigger picture. And if I do bring up the measuring tool for you guys, we're still down from all-time highs about 90%. Still down about 90% from all-time highs, and this gets me extremely excited, extremely bullish, and I want to be picking up more Solana than I can ever do so, and that's my goal. I'm going to keep dollar cost averaging into Solana, but again, guys, this is what I'm doing because I can afford to lose the money that I'm investing, and I believe in Solana's vision, seeing it being one of the biggest blockchains in the cryptocurrency markets as the future goes by. And I believe that I'm going to be looking back at these prices and saying, man, I wish I was picking more up, even though I am picking up Solana around these prices. And I did pick up some Solana around that $15-ish mark, $16 mark, but I still want to be picking more. I'm not happy with my bags, but we will see what happens. Let me know down below what you guys think.